Can you point out the pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, show Mom, where are the tracks?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Okay, where's the bucket?
Right there.
Let's go look at the bucket. Come on. Let's see what the bucket looks like. Where's the bucket?
Right there.
Oh, cool. Let's take a look at. Whoa, that's a big bucket.
Big bucket.
Whoa. Whoops. Koopy. Look at that bucket, bud. It's huge. It's huge. Look at those are the teeth, right? And where's the arm? Yeah, that's the arm. Where's the cab? Where the driver sits. Where's the cab?
Right there.
Right there. You're right, bud. Great job. Where are the tracks? I forget. Where are the tracks?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. A digger with tracks is called a
Bunny.
crawler. Good job.
What now?
What, honey? Say again?
Bucket.
Yep, that's the bucket. What else do you see?
Rock.
A rock. Yep, there's a rock.
This is another one.
Another rock.
This is another one.
Lots of rocks, huh? Look at that big bucket. You could fit inside that bucket.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, look at that big truck. Cool, dude.